going to crimp dash 6 MPT onto a 1/2 inch hose, Parker 43 series. So now we got to cut the hose first. Now we cut the hose. Then you see here, yeah, we got to use the blue dye. Parker here. See, now 8 is the blue dye, okay? Dash 8 blue dye. Okay, then next this is 1/2 inch. You read here. Okay, it's a dash 8, yeah. So Parker 43, 6 is the MPT swivel, 8 is the hose. So now we're going to crimp in. Okay, so look at normally we take a marker and we mark it. Yeah. Okay, then we put inside. This one I learned from Mr. Keith one. Take a lot of video. Okay, then put inside. Take a mallet, smash it in. Okay. Okay, then now you put it in the crimp machine. Then you power to 4003 psi. Okay, so you hold it straight like that. Hold it straight. Okay, then you run it. Okay, then you put the half moon in just before you engage. Yeah, be careful your hands. Okay, you run it to 4003 psi. Yep, press it. Okay. Okay. Now the hose is crimped. Okay. So this Parker hose, use Parker machine, okay, and use the correct series. Yeah, you see 43 series, 71 series. So you use the correct dies, okay, for the hose.